Huh? My name is... What's your name? Kyron, Ben, B, Giberson. Ano yun? Ang haba naman ng name mo. Is that your name? Huh? What's your name? Hey, you talk to mommy. How old are you? Oops, what's that? How old are you? Hey, Kyron, how are you today? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Napupunin ka na. Are you hungry? Do you want to eat? Do you want to eat na? Huh? Do you want milk? Hey, you talk to mommy. You talk to mommy. Kyron Ben, what is your name? Don't want to talk na?